Cheryl from Alphaimpact. I know you guys are really excited about manual copy trading, so here's a walkthrough. Let's go. I'm on the home page, and if you haven't connected your portfolio, just go to your linked portfolios and link more. Then go to Binance, find your API key, and save it. And then once your portfolio is connected, you'll be able to copy trade traders. If you go to notifications, you can see that there's a copy button right here. Tank's buying BNB, and I like that he's buying BNB, so I'm gonna copy. Let me see, I have 500 USDT. Let's say I wanna make a $100 trade. Approximately 20% of my portfolio. And I chose market order, Binance test, copy trade. It's time limited to confirm my order. I just click confirm order. Done. The trade has executed and I can view my trade. BNB. That's it. And then now I'll go back to Binance and show you how it's done.